everyone, we are discussing the fourth chapter of biology of 9th class, that is why do we fall ill. In the previous video we had discussed the in-text questions and now we will talk about the exercise and questions. So let's begin. These are the exercise and questions, in which question number first says, how many times did you fall ill in the last 1 year? What were the illness? And the answer says, I fell ill twice in last year and the illness were fever, cough and malaria. Think of one change you could make in your habits in order to avoid any of most of the above illness. So the answer is, to avoid above illness, personal hygiene and proper sanitation is important. And other is to avoid above illness, we should keep our surrounding clean. The next question number second says, a doctor, nurse, health worker is exposed to more sick people than others in the community. Find out how she or he avoids getting sick himself or herself. And the answer says, a doctor, nurse and health worker should take following precautions to avoid infections. And that precautions are, they should cover body with apron, they should cover mouth and nose by the use of mask, they should use hand gloves. So these are the precautions that they can follow. Question number third says, conduct a survey in your neighborhood to find out what the 3 most common diseases are. Suggest 3 steps that could be taken by your local authorities to bring down the incidences of these diseases. And the answer is, the most common disease after survey are typhoid, loose motion and malaria. And the answer is, typhoid is waterborne diseases, loose motion is caused due to the contaminated food and water, and malaria is caused by stagnant water. As the mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and are the carrier for different diseases like dengue, chikungunya and malaria. So we should follow the most common diseases after survey are typhoid and loose motions and malaria. To avoid such diseases, we should follow these rules, that we should keep our surrounding clean so that mosquitoes do not breed in stagnant water. We should cover our drains and remove garbage, keep our surrounding clean do not consume contaminated food and water. We should not consume contaminated food and water. We should consume healthy food and food for better immunity. So these are the things that we can follow to keep us healthy. Answer number 4. Question 4 says, a baby is not able to tell his or her caretakers that he or she is sick. What would help us to find out? Answer is, when baby is sick, we should find his or her temperature. And second one, baby need to be taken to the doctor immediately. Question number 5th says, under which of the following conditions is a person most likely to fall sick? And the answer is option number C, that says a person most likely to fall sick when she is on the 4-day fast after recovering from malaria and is taking care of someone suffering from chicken pox. The first reason to get infection is reduced immunity, and the second reason to get infection is because of the chicken pox, as the chicken pox is viral disease and communicable too. The next question number 6 says, under which of the following conditions are you most likely to fall sick? And answer is C. When your friend is suffering from measles. A person is most likely to fall sick when a friend is suffering from measles, as the measles is viral and communicable disease that can be spread through contact. So that person is most likely to fall sick when a friend is suffering from measles, as the measles is viral and communicable disease too. So this is all about the exercise and questions. Thank you.